Welcome, foolish mortals.
Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Paranormal Vlogs. I'm Magical Maiden, and today I have a few more orbs that I have caught from my security camera inside. Now, if you haven't seen my last two episodes, episode 58 and 57, showing you orbs outside and inside, please do. And I'm going to start them right now. Okay, so as you can see, they're still flying around the orbs. And this is January 31st, and it's 1 o'clock in the morning. See that big one? So there's a few here and there. Now, we just go to bed around 1. My husband and I stay up late. Mike, did you see that? There was one by Magic, and he took off running. And Salem's like, what? My cat Salem's on the chair. If you want to go back and watch that again, you can. There's a big one that lands right on Salem. And there's another one forming by the TV, but then it goes away, and one to the left by the window by the lantern. So you can rewind that and see that if you didn't catch it. So I tend to get these almost every day, every night. Last night was a quiet night, actually, but this is from the 31st, and I'm going to get to that. Continue just watching. And also, towards the end of this video, you don't want to leave because something weird happened last night, and I've got that, and it freaked out my cats. Well, look at that big one. And I think I even got voices, but I'm going to have to analyze that to see if I could hear the voices because it's a really crappy speaker on this camera. And, you know, it's not the best, but I can hear talking and we were sleeping. Here's another one. See that big one in the middle? So definitely stay and watch this whole entire video because that part doesn't come until the end because I'm doing all the videos I held on to from the 31st, the 1st, and the 2nd. When we get to February 2nd, that was last night, you're going to, yeah, I don't know what that was, but it was a loud noise. Nothing fell. And my husband and I checked every single thing in the house, including our ice cube maker. No ice cubes fell out in the freezer. I mean, my husband went around with a flashlight this morning trying to say, what the heck was that noise? Because we didn't know it till we looked at the security camera. But like I said, I heard voices talking. And it wasn't ours because it was like 4 in the morning. Oops. So see, look by the door. There's a few of them. And then it comes this way. So you want to reverse that to look. So I'll be quiet for a while you just enjoy. Okay, so my husband, this is the next day. You see, this is February 2nd. And my husband is setting up the camera. And as you can see, excuse me, there's a bunch of orbs flying around. So we were about to go to bed. So he always puts it on before bed. We don't leave it on the whole day because we're moving around. It's motion. So there's my cat being all silly, Magic. And there's a bunch of orbs. You saw that one? And there was another one, and then all of a sudden, my cat Magic comes out of nowhere. He's still young, so he likes to play where my cat Magic's 9 years old. I mean, when my cat Salem is 9 years old, so he likes to relax. And he's playing with this little... Oh, there goes an orb. I know he sees it. There's another one. They usually don't get freaked out by the orbs unless something happens, and sometimes they are, so I really don't know why. And there's another one. So this isn't bugs or dust, and if you watch the first one that I put, episode 57, whoops, see that one? It's going all over. You'll know. I went through the whole thing about it. Episode 57 and 58. Is it my sister's dog outside barking right now? So if you heard that, sorry. So there's another one, and my cat Magic went in the window. Salem, I don't know where he is. I think he went in. Oop, there was one by the TV. Salem was in bed with me last night by my feet. He fell asleep there, but later on he ended up going in the living room. And there goes another one. Okay, so as we're going along, you'll see a few here and there. And once we get to the part where there's that weird loud noise in the night, I will cut off the music so you can hear it. And again, like I said, oops, see that big one? So I'm just going to sit back and let you notice all the big ones again. You could always rewind it, look again. And don't forget to look at the other 2 episodes where I show you the ones I caught outside and in the house, episode 57, 58. Okay, so right now I'm about to show you the one where there's a loud noise, but first something spooks my cat and he runs. And there's a clear path to the hallway wherever he ran to, so he didn't bump into anything. So here we go. Okay, so I'm not sure if you heard that loud noise. You must have. There was talking. I'm going to analyze it and I'll make a video about it if I catch anything. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Stay spooky. Bye.